si Annabel Jugador. I'm a dairy farmer here in Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon, at Green Acres Agricultural Company Incorporated. The farm started in 2009, and the dairy animals arrived in 2011. 30 of pregnant dairy animals. I wanted to know if dairy animals would survive in this area. So I started reading, researching through internet if there's a possibility, even with the heat here, if dairy animals from New Zealand would adapt here. So when I learned about the use of electric fence, and so I can contain the animals on areas which I will provide for them for the day. When I read about that, and then I nag-click yung sa mind ko na it will work. It will work. Because we have the land. We have the land. I can develop the land, plant good grass for the animals. First, concern talaga if you have farm animals ay yung nutrition nila. As we went along, we learned from our AI technician. We were taught by our AI technician how to detect the cycle of the animal. So from then on, we would observe every day somebody would go to the herd, would be with the herd and say, "Ma'am, ito yon, mounting. This number is mounting on another animal." So that is a great possibility na yung animal na yun ay kailangan ng AI or bull. So then, we do it as fast as we could. Within 18 hours, dapat ma-AI na yun or ma-mount ng bull. Para sa akin, I am still on the infant stage compared to the dairy farms in the US and Europe and New Zealand who have been there for 300 years. And ako, 8 years lang, infant pa yun. Yung pregnant pa, nasa loob pa ng tiyan ng dam. But what I can share is it's not easy. It's not easy, but it would be easier if you love your work. In anything, di ba? In anything, basta mahal mo yung trabaho mo, medyo magaan. But I have been through hardships sa yung mawalan ka ng baka, mamatayan ka, mahirap yun. Especially yung magkasakit na ilang months and you want to revive that animal because it has been giving you lots of milk. Mahirap. Pero ito naman, yung experience ko naman made me strong. So as we go along, ma-acquire yung strength and ma-understand na hindi mo kaya lahat just like our loved ones that we have to let go, yun din sa animals na maski hindi ko gustong mawala sila, I cannot do anything about it. I have no control over it except to give them going back to nutrition. Yun lang talaga ang magawa ko. At saka, of course, with God's blessings.